What up, it's your boy Slick, and today we're talking cinematic bars, but I'm not a rapper. How to get them done? Premiere Pro, After Effects. Let's get it. So if we starting off into Premiere Pro, as you can see, I got a little color mat here, you know what I'm saying, with a little gradient wrap, nothing crazy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna add an adjustment layer. You can press C to adjust it to size, and then you're gonna go to the effects tab, and you're gonna search crop. Drop that onto the adjustment layer. You're gonna see top and bottom. Those are the ones you're gonna use. I usually do about 5 on each, but it's up to you. And that's it. If you do want to animate it, you know what I'm saying, you could click the stopwatch right here and then probably go back. So you want to animate it coming in, like closing in, like that. Make it a little smooth. Select all. Right click, easy in. If you want to get, you know what I'm saying, advanced, you don't got to worry about that. You know what I mean? If you want to make it slower, drag it out. And that's that. Simple. Moving on to After Effects. This is the same setup, but the difference is you're gonna make a solid layer. You feel me? Put it black. It's gonna end up on top. Search CC Jaws in the Effects Presets tab. Drop that over, and then what you're gonna do is where you see the height, turn that to 0, and then the completion you drag up. You see where I'm getting at? Basically, you can, you know what I'm saying, animate it if you want to. Press use to show the keyframe. Move it a little bit. 0. I'm not sure that's where how much I want. Slow like that. If you want it faster, you can drag it. Whoa. Ease it, make it smooth. Also have this flow chart. Yeah, motion blur if you want to, you know what I'm saying, get a little fancy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped a little bit, just hit that like, you know what I'm saying. Also hit the description box below with the bell to the side. If this video was informative, if this video helped, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and hit the like button. Comment down below more video ideas or more questions or anything else you want to find out about After Effects and Premiere Pro. And we coming back at you with some more bangers. Yeah.